Hello, Michael. Hello, troll face typing and burning.
Hi.
Hello, Jasper. Oh,
Hi.
hello, Mike. Hello, Ethan.
We have to bring like 3 sheets of paper today.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. We have to bring the paper. Okay, everybody. I hope you get the paper already. Jasper, 有没有妈妈有没有给你打印？ Okay, so first of all, 5 minutes calculation, boys and boys. Please get it ready, okay? So 1, 2, go. 有没有给他们擦脚？
Oh, and also can I something? In like the papers, are we gonna do them in class?
In what? In class, yes.
Oh.
Bagel? Bagel? Bagel?
Hi, Bagel.
Bagel 擦好了吗？
没有擦好。
那 Cody 在里面擦好了呀。我跑出去了，他们要溜出去了。狗弟，不可以凶姐姐。妈妈给你擦一点事情都没有的，姐姐一给你擦你就开始呜什么？Okay, 1 minute and 40 seconds left.
你是让我去上面做，还是在下面？
你在上面做吧。
好。
这个位要在这上面做的。
哦，
坐在我旁边，就坐在这里就。
嗯
32 seconds left. Mike，你要写的，不要每次老师给你上课就开始玩，好不好？
Okay, I am.
有。Okay, so the times is up. Okay, so
Wait,
boys.
I'm almost done.
Wait.
Okay, 好，再给你们20秒。
Done.
Okay, so 2 lines, Jasper. Okay, not bad. Okay, so please count it how many questions you did. And boys, today we're going to learn something. Hello, troll face，你要好好听的了啊。对，老师要打你屁股了啊。OK，好，我们首先把那个老师让你们打印出来的那个纸先拿出来，好不好？OK，老师把这个。Okay, so did you get the paper ready, Jasper? Sus face? Okay, so let's take a look at the first thing first, okay? I think everybody in this class should know the Pythagorean theorem, right? Do you know that?
Experience.
Pythagorean theorem, do you know that?
Very advanced theory. A1 plus B1 blah blah blah.
So the Pythagorean theorem could be only used when the triangle is a right triangle. Okay, everybody, this is very important. Okay, so on the other hand, Michael and Mike Jasper, if you see there is a triangle which have a right angle, you need to do what?
You have to write a square.
Yeah, you need to know that this one have a number A, number B, and number C.
Yes.
So C squared equals A squared plus B squared. C is the longest line. Get it, everybody? Okay, so for instance, so this is 12. This is 13, this is 12, this is 5. You're going to say 13 times 13 equals 12 times 12 plus 5 times 5. Get it, everybody? Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. Okay, everybody, take a look at this one. So who can tell me this is a square, right? So square, each of the angle is a right angle or not?
Each.
这个每一个角是不是都是90度啊
Yeah.
OK， 好了，还有一件事情，正方形的每一条边是一样的还是不一样的
Same.
？Same, therefore 5 centimeter. So all of them are the same. So if they're 5, 5, 5, 5, so what is the area of this one? So will be 5 squared plus 5 squared equals x squared. Correct, everybody?
Yep.
Okay, so 5 squared equals 25. And another 5 squared equals 25, so x squared. So x squared equals 50. So x equals what?
10 squared.
5 square root 2. Correct?
Yeah.
Yep.
Get it, everybody?
Mhm.
Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. So this one, we know this one is 13, but we don't know the each side of the square. It's easy. So x squared plus x squared equals 13 squared. Correct, everybody? Okay, so now I want to ask Ethan a question. X squared plus x squared equals what? Equals 2x squared. Get it, Ethan?
Yeah.
Okay, so this part is very useful. Okay, so first is if I next one I have square 3 plus square 3. That's prophase equals what? That's prophase?
Hmm?
Square root 3 plus square root 3 equals what?
2 square root 3.
Very good. Get it, everybody? Okay, 我看到 Michael 很认真的在记笔记。So 13 squared equals what? Equals 169. Okay, 169. So everybody, so 2x squared equals 169. So x squared equals what? 84.5. Okay, so x squared equals what? So everybody, you can use the calculator. 有没有小朋友有 calculator? Okay, so 800, 哎呀 ，Sans Troll 你不能再玩了啊。84.5 square root. 84.5 square root equals 9.19. And the question said round answer to one decimal place. So x equals 9.2 centimeter. Does everybody understand right now? So 5 square root 2 equals what? So into square root 2 equals, so times 5, so equals 7.1 centimeter. Okay, everybody, I hope you are getting your calculator ready. Jasper, 你有没有那个计算器？
I can use online, right? Can I use the online one?
Yeah, you can use the online one. Michael? And Mike?
Have one.
And Ethan? And Daniel?
Yeah.
What the hell am I doing? I literally have no idea what I'm doing.
有没有 calculator?
Yes, but just yeah, I do have it.
OK, 有 calculator 就可以啊。
I have a question, Carrie.
Yes.
For question B, if x squared equals 84.5, equals 84.5, then
Mhm.
why is x why does x equal 9.19?
Because 9.19 times 9.19 equals 84.5. So how do we get this one? You're just using the calculator.
I 169 divided by 2.
Y divided by 2. It's x squared, Michael. It's not 2x equals 84.5. It's x squared equals 84.5. What does x squared mean? X squared means x times x equals 84.5.
Okay.
Right? And do you know how to use the calculator? You key in 84.5 and you see there's a one square root x 这个键，你按下去，答案就出来。因为你用人笔是算不出来的，这个必须要用 calculator 算。Do you have a calculator, Michael?
I do.
Yeah, you need to do. Did you see this one? Did you see this button? 在你的 calculator 上应该有这个 button. Michael, take a look.
Yes.
This one.
I have it.
Yeah. Get it?
Okay.
Okay, so everybody, please do number A and then number B yourself.
Or do we send the answer in the chat? Carrie?
Okay, everybody, give me the equation. 不要只是一个答案啊。
Oh, okay.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one.
I'm not done
65
yet.
is the longest one, 小朋友啊，我要看到的是 A 65 squared equals 56 squared plus x squared. Okay, 每个小朋友先把这个写下来啊。I want to see each of you is having this one on your equation. Number B is the same thing. X squared equals 17 squared plus 23 squared. Okay, we can do the calculation later, but this is the most important part. Okay, so everybody, I hope you get it right. So now I'm going to tell you, okay? So 65 squared, how do we do it? So just to key in 65, everybody, so you put 65, and there's a button is x squared. I don't know if you can see. So it's x squared. x squared. Okay, so you just to hit that one. So they will calculate 65 squared for you equals 4225. Okay, 56 times 56 equals 3136 plus x squared. Okay, so minus 4225. So this one, x squared equals 1089. Everybody, did you get it? So after you calculate this one, you hit this one, x square root x. So this one equals x equals 33. Get it? Get it, everybody? Jasper?
Yeah.
And Seth Trophies? And Ethan? And Alpha? Okay, so this one, x squared equals 17 squared equals what? Equals 289. So 23 times 23 equals 529 plus 289 equals 818. So this one, so x squared equals 818. So x equals what? So you square rooted equals 28.61. Sorry, 606. So that is the answer. I'm not sure everybody, one of you is getting the same answer like me. But if you're not, please take a look at this one. So Daniel, do you understand what we're doing?
Yeah, but like
Okay,
I
good.
don't handle that part.
你有没有拿 calculator?
No, it says x squared equals 289 plus 529.
Huh?
It says x equals 289 plus 529, and then you just grab like a random number and then turn it into 8.
No, 不是 random number. 289加529是不是等于818 ？Correct?
Yeah, but how does x squared turn into 17 squared plus 23 squared?
不是在这儿吗？ So because we have right
Okay,
triangle, so
I thought I was there. Sorry.
get it?
Yeah, I know how to do it.
Okay, so everybody understood? Okay, so let's move forward to the number 5, okay? Number 5 is a question I need to explain to every single one of you, okay? So why we're doing this? So the most important thing is it's an isosceles triangle, okay? So every boys, you have to pay extra attention to these questions. I strongly suggest you take a look, okay? So when we have isosceles triangles and you are making a height on the base, this height is not only the height of this triangle, this height also cut this base into half. Understand, everybody? So that means this equals what, Michael?
16.
16.
Very good. And this one is also
16.
and because this is the height, so this one is a right triangle. So that's why it is 20 squared equals h squared plus 16 squared, right? So that's why 400 equals h squared plus what? 16 times 16 equals what?
What's it called?
256, right? So h squared equals 400 minus 256. So h squared equals 144. So h equals 12 centimeters. Okay, so everybody, if you understand this one, number B, I want you to do it yourself. Okay. Daniel, 你给我发的是什么？ What is the answer, Daniel? Okay, so let's take a
I'm
look.
still doing.
Okay,
No, almost done.
okay.
Do we still have to send the equation to you?
No. I have received some answers, okay? So let's take a look at this one. This one's a little bit hard, right? Because I know this is 11, this is 11. And who can tell me this little just...
I'm almost done.
Okay, Ethan, can you tell me?
3.5.
Very good, 3.5. So let's calculate the h. So 11 squared, because that's the longest one, equals what? Equals h squared plus 3.5. Okay, so let's take a look at this one, okay? So 11 squared equals 121, and h squared we don't know, but we know 3.5 times 3.5 equals what? Equals 12.25. So basically we need to use 121 minus 12.25 equals 108.75 equals h squared. So h equals what? Equals this guy square root equals 10.43. So basically equals 10.4 because they just want one decimal. Oh, it doesn't say. Okay, so that's 1.4. Okay, very good. Everybody understood? Okay, I'm gonna stop here and let you think about it. If you're making mistakes, please correct them. Oh. Okay, so everybody, if you understand this one, we're gonna keep going, okay? So let's take a look at the next one, okay? Find the perimeter of the right triangle, okay? So what does it mean? They want to know the perimeter of the right triangle, okay? We know this area of this square is 225. Okay, everybody? So 225 equals what? 225 equals each of the line times together. So a squared equals 225. So a equals what? We can just
15.
200. Very good. So a equals 15. So this is 15.
Square.
This is 15. So for this triangle's perimeter, I only don't know this part, right? So I need to do, I just to name it x. So x squared equals 24 squared plus 15 squared. 15 squared, I don't have to do it because I already know it's 225. And this one is 576. I can just be using the calculator. So x squared equals 801. So x squared equals what? So x equals what? X equals this number, square root equals 28.3. So some student just to tell me, okay, 老师我做完了. Is it wrong? Is it done? No. Ask you the perimeter. The perimeter equals 24 plus 15,
15 plus 28.
28.3. Very good. So you need to plus actually 39. So equals 67.3 centimeter. Get it? Okay, so if you understood, you're doing this one yourself.
Hey, Carrie, did I just send you the equation?
No, you don't have to send me the question. Just give me the final answer.
Okay.
Okay, so everybody, actually, I don't have to do this, correct? Because all I need to do is 20 plus 20, because this is a,
Right angle.
yeah, so a lot of people think, okay, this is a right angle, okay? So 有些小朋友说841很简单 ，OK？ 841是什么？841
29.
29。好，有个小朋友说我做完了，老师69。好，那我现在问你们一下，谁跟你说这两条边是一样的？Who told you that, Jasper？ 呀，有没有人告诉你，如果两条边是一样的，这边要有呢，这个小棒棒在这边写着呢，Michael。Correct? Okay. The good thing is this one is 29. I know, very good. But what is the length of this one? It's hard to say. It should be calculated. This is x, so x equals what? Equals 29 squared minus 20 squared and the square root. 841 minus 400. So x equals what? Equals 441 square root. X equals what?
X equals
21. Yeah, Jasper. 它
eh.
看起来很像，对不对？ So that's why the answer is 21 plus 20 plus 29. So the answer is 70 centimeter. Okay, so boys, it is very easy because you look like they're the same. 有些小朋友说啊，我做好了20加20加29。啊，回来以后妈妈说你今天考试考得怎么样 ？Very good. 后来发觉错了。Don't trust your eyes, Jasper. You need to see if these two lines are the same. You're gonna see there's a little line here to emphasize they're the same. If there's no line, you cannot assume that they are equals to each other. Understood?
Oh, okay.
Okay, so now let's take a look at number 7. Okay, so Jasper, right now you can see this one and this one is the same, and these two are the same.
Okay.
Okay, everybody. So let's take a look at number 7. Okay. So when we're talking about the rhombus, okay, so the diameter, sorry, 这两条线它们是互相垂直的 okay? Okay, so diagonal.
More time.
Okay, I'm getting more time. And everybody, you know that when it's a rhombus, each of the line are the same, right? Each of the line are the same. Hope everybody you're getting better. So let's take a look at this one. Because these AB equals BC, so this is isosceles triangle. And also AO, we just to say O, okay? AO equals OC. So AC equals 10, so AO equals 5, correct, everybody? And because BD equals 20 and DO equals OB, so this is equals 10 and a 10. Does everybody understood this one? Okay.
Yeah.
So we want to find the perimeter of the rhombus. So AKA, we only need to know AB equals what, right? Then we times 4. The perimeter of the rhombus equals 4 times AB, correct? So
Yeah.
first of all, we need to know what is AB. So AB equals what? This has happened in a right triangle. So it's 10 squared plus 5 squared and square root. So equals 100 plus 25 equals 125. So 125 square root equals what? 125 square root equals
11.18.
0.18. Okay, so that is the one AB, so times 4. So 4, you need to ask me. 4 part 11.18, so times 4 equals 44.7 centimeter. Ethan, very good. Okay, Seth, good job as well. Okay, everybody, I hope you understand. So number 8, your turn. Okay.
Carrie, can you please this time give me more time?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you.
Okay, Daniel is the first one who sent it to me. Good job. And Oliver, you're the second one. Okay, I'm kind of like just want to make your two competing against each other. So, so find the radius of the circle. So I want to ask everybody, first of all, Jasper, do you understand what is radius?
It's the like the
The middle circle.
The middle circle is
to the
this one, right?
Yeah.
Right. This one is radius. Very good. So I want everybody, when you do those questions, you put the number on the thing. Okay, so 7 and 12. Okay, so everybody, I want you to have this one. So this one is a right triangle, right? So basically, AC squared equals AB squared plus BC squared, correct? Correct? Okay, so everybody, AB equals 49 and BC equals 144. And Michael, 我跟你说，你不用自己用手写的啊。可以用计算机的，不要什么这个都可以用计算机，这个学校规定可以用4级计算机的，OK？ So 49 plus 144 equals 193. So AC squared equals 193. So AC equals what? Equals 193 square root equals 13.9. And but the thing is, we don't want to have AC, one OC, right? OC equals what? Divided by 2 equals 6.9 centimeters. Okay, get it, everybody? Okay, so Michael, if you need a lot of time, maybe you're using everything by your hand. You can just easily using the calculator to do that for you. Okay, so everybody, number 9, your turn. Okay, one by
The
one.
part that takes me a long time is when you have, it's like when it's like, for example, when it's like AC to the power of 2 and it equals 193, and then next step's AC, and it takes me a long time to solve, like what times what equals 193.
可以用计算器啊。
这样怎么算啊？用计算器这不可能。
哪个不能用计算器算啊？都能用。
不是 AC to power 2不是等于193吗？我用计算器，我算 AC 的什么怎么算啊？
对，我不是跟你说了吗？193，然后你就摁一个这个键，就这个键你摁一下，你摁一下它就算出来，就等于13.9了呀。你把193键摁进去，然后再摁一下那个键，出来就是13.9了呀。
哦，
你把193先摁在你的计算器上，你手算不出来的呀。然后呢，你有没有找到这个键？有没有找到这个键？
找了。
对，你就摁一下，有没有看到13.9？有没有看到13.9？OK， 好，我们看第9题。OK，everybody number 9。
Sorry.
Yeah.
Do you have a better calculator?
啊？
Wait, wait,
I have a
wait.
better
What was
calculator.
A?
My calculator sucks.
What was A again?
啊 The answer
Yeah.
Okay, never mind.
6.9.
Drink of water.
Oh.
Okay, number 9. Okay, number 9, everybody.
dancing.
Okay, so number 9.哦，这次 Oliver 比 Daniel 快了 ，Daniel。Oliver 已经把答案发给我，但不知道对不对啊
Away for a moment.
？I'm not sure，不一定对啊，万一错我们不管啊。Okay, so we have received.
I'm gonna type it in.
Okay, so what does it mean first? I want to ask every one of you, what does it mean? What does it mean of the distance of A to B? So you need to have a line to connect it A to B. Okay, everybody, you need to have
Sorry,
a,
wrong answer.
okay. So everybody, so how do we calculate this one? Because A and B, basically, they're not on the
There.
same plate. So first of all, you need to also connect to this one. So basically, this is the right triangle we're talking about. Okay. So we need, I just name it C. So we know ABC equals 5 centimeter. But what is AC equals to? AC is exactly diagonal of this plate. So that's why AC squared equals 5 squared plus 5 squared. Everybody, so AC squared equals 50. So AC equals 50 squared. Which is 7.1. So AB equals what? AB equals AC squared plus BC squared. Sorry, AB squared equals 50 plus 25. So AB squared equals 75. So AB equals 75 square root. So the answer is 8.7 centimeters. Okay, this question, I need you to imagine there is a box there. So there are some lines that you cannot directly use them. I know this one's hard. Okay, think about it. Okay, everybody, please. Okay, so if you understand, we're going to move forward to the number 10, okay? Find the distance from A to B. Again, this question is same as 9, okay? So I'm going to help you a little bit with the lines there, okay? So we want to find out the distance of A to B. So we need to first what? Connect it this one, okay? So sorry, it's very ugly. Let me do it again. So A to B, and we need to connect it here. So you need to find out this line first, then calculate this line. Okay? Oh, Daniel 做完了。哎呦 ，Daniel 现在跟所有的小朋友都杠上。
I'm also done.
嗯哼。Okay. So let's take a look at this one. So how do we do this one? So first, I need to find out AC, right? So how do we find AC? AC squared equals 8 squared plus 6 squared equals 64 plus 36 equals 100. Okay, so I know AC equals 10. This one is easy. So because AB and AC and BC is form a right triangle, so AB squared equals 10 squared plus 4 squared equals 100 plus 16 equals 116. Okay, so AB equals what? Equals 116 square root equals 10.78. Or we can say 10.8, sorry. Okay, everybody, I'm gonna stop here and let you finish. Okay, congratulations, Ethan, good job. And congratulations, Oliver, and congratulations, Daniel. Okay, Michael, take a look at which part you're making mistakes, okay? You're never being like three lines times together. There's nothing like that. I never teach you something like that, right? Okay, so everybody, if you understood, can we go on? Or you have some questions, you can ask me. Okay, nobody asked me, so I think we can move on, okay? So let's take a look at number 11, okay? The question's getting harder. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So find the length from A to B. Okay, so we know this is 3. Okay, everybody? We cannot directly find AB because we need to know AC and CB first. Right, Michael? Because AB squared equals AC squared plus BC squared. But do we know AC and BC? No, but AC squared equals 4 squared plus 3 squared. And BC squared equals 12 squared plus 9 squared. So AB squared equals what? AB squared equals 16 plus 9 plus 144 plus 81. So equals 160 plus 90 equals 250. So AB equals what? AB equals square root 250. So I'm going to use the calculator. 250 square root equals 15.8 centimeters. Okay, please ask me if you don't understand part. Do you need my help or you're just still copying or just watching? I have heard nothing. Jasper, what are you doing? Jasper, can you hear me? Hello? Oliver, can you hear me? Okay, so Jasper, do you understand this question? Jasper!
Yeah.
Okay, what are you doing, Jasper?
Looking at 12.
OK，已经开始都做 12了。OK，好，小朋友们开始做 12。
And I am confused.
Which part you're confused?
Like most of it.
哪个地方？12题还是11题
Number 12.
？OK，number 12，过一会儿我会讲啊。
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to start to explain this one, okay? So if you cannot imagine this, so everybody, it looks like a what? 就一个三角形的这么一个东西, okay? So basically, we only know this is 15, everybody. So this is 17, so I can calculate this one. And because I know this line is 25, this is 15, and I can calculating this one. Understand, Jasper? So let's first take a look at the red one. So I named this red one as Y, and I named this blue one as Z. Understand, everybody? So first I'm going to calculate the red one. The red one, Y squared equals what? Equals
25 and 15.
minus 15 squared. Very good. 25 squared minus 15 squared. And let's look at the number Z. So Z equals what? Z squared equals, this is longest one, 17 squared minus
15.
15 squared. Very good, Jasper. So this one equals what? So everybody, by doing this, you can calculate what is Y and what is Z, right? Correct?
Yep.
Okay, so now you can do it yourself. Then we find what is X, okay? Hmm. Okay, so who can tell me the answer? Still nobody? So 200 minus 225, right?
I did that. I did the question.
64. So Z equals 8. Right? Z equals 8. So this one is what? 25 times 25. 625 minus 225 equals 400. So Y equals what? Equals 20. So X equals what? X equals 20
Equals 28.
plus 8 squared equals 464.
64.
Very good. So 660, 464 square root equals 21.5. Good job, Ethan.
That's what I did.
Okay, and Oliver did it right as well. Yeah, Daniel 这是做错了。Okay, Daniel 做错了，Daniel 做错了。Okay, so everybody, let's move forward. Okay, so this time we're looking at something looks very scary, but that's the same thing. So because area
can you go
one,
up
6,
a little bit? Can you go up? Sorry.
Yeah.
Can you go up?
Yeah.
I want to see that. Oh, what was the answer? Again, I saw it, but I forgot it.
21.5.
Okay.
Okay, so let's take a look at number 13. Okay, find the perimeter of each triangle. So how to find out the perimeter of each triangle? We need to know exactly what is this, and what is this, right? For the longest one, very easy because the area of this square is 1,681. So how do I do it? This one's
9.
root, right? And 81 square root equals 9, and 1,600 square root equals 40. So this one equals what? 40, what?
This
41.
one's 40, 49.
49 or 41? 40,
49.
41, okay?
Oh,
41,
yeah, 41.
41, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
41, okay? So basically it's 9 plus 40 plus 41. So the perimeter equals 90 centimeters. Okay, so boys, number B, you're doing it yourself. Okay, so let's take a look at this one.
I am not done yet.
Okay, I give you another minute. Okay, so I have seen different answers.
I'm sending it right now.
Okay. Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. So 16,000 square root equals 40, right? Everybody, this one, there's no problem, right? 9216 square root equals what? Who can tell me? 这个用计算机按一下就没有人按啊。Equals 96. Okay, correct, Ethan? Okay, so we don't know this one. So how do we know this one? This one equals 1600 plus 9216 square root. Correct? Do you understand why, everybody?
Yeah.
Okay, so this one equals 104. So that's why the answer is 40 plus 96 plus 104 equals 240 centimeter. So I have Oliver did it right. And Daniel did it right. Yeah, you wait, you forgot to add the one, right? 对哦，这三条线要加起来，对不对？好了 number C and number D, we're not spending our time in the class and do it, okay? Because I know you can do it yourself. Okay, let's take a look at this one. Find the area of the unknown squared. Okay, so this time is backwards, okay? I want to know this part. 很简单, I don't even have to calculate. The answer is 265 centimeters squared. Why? Because A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Correct? So A squared equals what? 121. B squared equals what? 144.
144.
The C squared is exactly the area of this one. So basically, you're just putting them together. Correct, everybody?
Oh,
So I want
okay.
you to number B yourself, okay? So what is the area of this one? Very easy.
Answer for that 256.
Mhm. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So Ethan, you need to look at it.
Almost done.
The area of the unknown square. So we need to know what? We need to know the area. So you don't have to tell me what is the signs, correct? 需不需要告诉老师？不需要，对不对？
No, I need to type it out. Almost done. Almost done.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So 784 equals A squared. So B squared equals what? Equals 53 times 53. So C squared equals what? Why this is C? Because this is the longest line, right? So this one basically is B. So B squared equals C squared minus A squared. So basically this area equals what? Equals 53 squared minus 784. All we need to do is just to go to the calculator. And 53 times 53 equals 2,809 minus 784. So the answer is 2025. So basically that is 2025. So everybody, when we're doing those questions, okay, the most important thing is you need to know C equals what? C equals C squared equals A squared plus B squared. Okay, so everybody, C is the most important line, Michael. C is the longest line. Ethan, understand? So that is the most important thing. You can just randomly pick up a line and say, okay, I name him C. Okay, I randomly pick up number and then randomly pick up A. So A and B could be switched, but C must be the longest one. Understand, everybody? Okay, so number C and number D yourself, okay?
Wait, Carrie,
Mm-hmm.
uh, do we find the area of the like squares that you don't know, right? The area that you don't
Yeah,
know.
the area you don't know, yes.
Well, I'm going to type it.
Type it in the chat.
How do you say square? Like some like a number square, like a square. Carrie.
Yeah, you sorry, I mute myself. You can just give me the number. Okay, so Michael, you are telling me that the answer is this one is 441. You're right, right? And how about this one? The 29 equals what? What is 29?
29 times 29.
And I want you to specify what is C and what is A, what is B, okay?
Oh, okay. I'll solve it for a sec. Um,
Okay, thank you, Michael. You get it. Understood? Correct? You need to know exactly what you're talking about, right? So this one, 29 is a side. So in order to find a c squared, so this is c, this is the longest one, this is a, this is b. So c squared equals 29 squared, and b squared equals 21 squared, and a squared equals 29 squared minus 21 squared. So equals 29 squared equals what? Who can tell me?
841.
841. 221 is 441, right? So equals 400. So this a is 400, a squared. 对不对？好了，那下面这道题目怎么做？ The reason is because I know c squared equals 20a squared, right? But a and a are the same, so it's a squared plus a squared equals 20a squared. So 2a squared equals 20a squared equals what? Equals 784. So a squared equals 784 divided by 2 equals 392. So this is 392, this is 392. Understand, everybody? Okay, very good. Okay, I have seen a lot of students get it right. And I want to make sure that all of you, you're going to do the thing today is I want you to show me the process, Jasper, understand? If you don't have the process, everything will be hard. Okay? Okay, Daniel 和 Oliver 基本上都对，但是还是要重新做一遍，因为我怕你到时候忘了，好不好？ Okay, so that's it for today's class, and we're going to see each other next week. Very good. Everybody's doing great today. Okay, Ethan, good job. A lot of questions you did all right as well. Okay, good job. Bye-bye.